Hello all and welcome to the UAS Python Environment series. This video was originally meant to be in person, but for obvious reasons is now online. If you're watching the video in the future, check the date to understand that reference. These videos are done by me, aka Gino, and Paul. The video series will cover an introduction to Python environments, a guide to install Miniconda, a guide to use Miniconda, and 2 activities utilizing Python environments. You will learn how to use Miniconda to have different Python environments to manage all your Python-based projects. If you do have other requests on what to cover or have questions, feel free to leave a comment on this video or any of the other videos. This workshop is done by the Undergraduate Artificial Intelligence Society, UAIS, at the University of Alberta. If you are interested in becoming a member, feel free to sign up on our website and join our Slack linked in the description below.